Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and we're going to do a real quick flip through of the book of Mark. So, tags, we've got my edges from the kit for the Cricut, tags from the kit. This is from the kit. It's got the little Go Ye inside, and it's an altered paper clip that we made. And this is from another kit. This is from the Mark kit. And then this is the accordion pocket. And it actually is supposed to have, these little composition books. And these are from the Dollar Tree store. And we just covered them with scraps. And there's two of them. And so that can be for writing space. And there's room for two of those to go in there. And shut it. And here's a card from the kit. Just an extra card. Pages from the kit. And I have some little cards over here that I haven't put back in yet. So as we go, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this in with some things. Belly band. A little card. Scripture card, pockets, belly band. Here's one of the altered paper clips we made from the kit. Got the goat and the fox. And page from the kit, cloth page. Some more tags. Here's the little notepad we made from the kit. This is from the kit. And there's another little card. Oh, there's the altered paper clip with the lion and the deer from the kit. And one of the mark tags from the kit I'll put in there. Here's another belly band. And another card from the kit. Pocket from the kit. All of this is from the kit. This is from another kit. And this is the 4-flap box fold from the kit. And it's got the quote from Mark 11:24, and all the little tags are from Mark. And let's see. Hang on. Put that in, that in, that in. There we go. Okay. And some handmade paper. I didn't make it. I bought it. Little tag, little text spot, little edges, another card, little text that's from the kit, little edges, another mark card, little emboss, just a little flash card from the flash card kit that's on Etsy. And this flap and some more cards from the kit. Belly band. Another notepad from the kit. Pages. Little text spot up there. Another flash card, little slow stitching, or actually machine stitching from another kit with the little advertisement. And another, this is a scripture from Mark from the kit. And belly band, card, flash card, page from the kit. belly band. Stick that in there. And there's the ram altered paper clip, and on the other side is the lamb. And pockets. Here's the hidden stacked pockets that go together and make this piece of artwork from the kit. And those are all cards from Mark. From the kit and with Mark scriptures on them. And what's special about Mark, makes that book different from the other Gospels. And another card from the kit. And that one. The donkey from the altered paperclip part of the kit. Another tag. Another one. The little coin envelope from the kit, and I just put a bunch of little scripture cards in there. The camel is on the back of the donkey, altered paperclip. And then this is a part of the kit, and it has the envelope from the kit. And a card. I'm sorry, I know I keep saying from the kit, but a lot of these things are not from the kit, and I just want to make sure you understand what comes with it and what doesn't. So all of that does. And there's a card from the kit. And just more. These don't. The pages, of course, are from the kit, but the cards and the pockets are extra. Page from the kit, scripture card or tag from the kit. And that's just an extra card, and that is it. All right. And I still have some extras. And do I need to put those in? I'm just going to keep those out. I don't think I need them. All right, so that is the Mark journal. I had a lot of fun making it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're making them with me. We're going to do all 4 Gospels, hopefully. So we've got Matthew and Mark done, and now we're going to go on to Luke and John. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.